Ano kahalaga na hindi lang makulong yung mga kasangkot kung hindi mabalik rin yung pera. Alam ko na Chairman Aguinaldo is pursuing bid manipulation, bid rigging, filing different cases towards the contractors. Can you give us an update there?
We are already doing our preliminary inquiry of this case. So the next step right now is to gather evidence, the bid documents, possible communication exchanges between them.
Even the testimonies here can already be used as substantial evidence. Ano to? Maraming kaso to sa maraming tao.
Yes, Your Honor.
Pwede tong per instance magmulta na kaagad.
Yes, Your Honor. So per count po, pwede po natin siyang i-prioritize kung ano yung meron ng evidence, pwede na po natin siyang isang.
Tama ba na ang multa or fine dito sa bid rigging ay up to 100 million per instance, first offense, 250 million for second offense moving forward?
110 million and then 110 to 250 and then for succeeding 250.
So ang mungkahi ko, gaya ng minungkahi ko kay Secretary Remulla, mahalaga sa taong bayan na mabalik yung pera. So isang araw, trillion peso marks yun kasi aabot ng trillion peso yung nawala sa kaban ng bayan. Kung may maibalik tayo kahit papaano, malaking bagay yan. Mahalaga yun na mabalik natin yan. So I hope the PCC, as it was created, can really pursue these cases. I recommend that you do this quickly, no, para rin sa taong bayan.